around a lot of fighters, and we have noticed that all the fighters, when they throw strikes, they make lots of sounds. But to be honest, most of the sounds are pretty funny, right, Johnny?
Oh, yes.
Really funny. You don't have to overact. So today we're going to demonstrate some of the sounds that fighters make. Let's start with Johnny's favorite, the yip. Here we go.
Yip, yip, yip.
The yip yip guy always yips on the bag. Here it is.
Yes. Yip, 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 yip.
As you can see,
Yip, 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 yip.
here is a hee hee guy.
Hee, hee, hee. Hee. Hee, 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 hee.
Now we have the shusher guy. See how it sounds like he's telling his kids to shush? Next we have the guy. Usually he's a power puncher. Of course we have the bing bing guy. Bing 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 bing.
Bing, bing.
So those were some of our favorite sounds to make when you're striking. There's plenty more. You can comment down below your favorites or the twinjas. Bye.
Bing, 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 bing.